Good morning class 10. Today I am going to discuss about control and coordination in animals. In animals, there is a specialized cell that is called nerve cell through which control and coordination takes place. In unicellular organism or lower animals, the control and coordination takes place through neuron or nerve cell. But in higher animals, there are two systems, nervous system and endocrine system. In nervous system, control and coordination takes place by neuron. This neuron carry impulses in the form of electric impulse from one part of the body to another part of the body. Because it is in form of electric impulse, that's why it travel very fast. After that, it cannot reach each and every cell. That's why there is another system that is called endocrine system. This endocrine system forms by a number of glands that is called endocrine glands. This endocrine gland secretes a chemical substance called hormones. Through this chemical substance, the control and coordination reaches each and every cells. Now, we can understand about neuron. What is neuron? Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. It is longest cell in human beings. The length of neuron is 1 meter or 100 centimeter in length. This neuron consists of mainly three parts. Number first, dendrite. You can see through this diagram. Number first, dendrite. Dendrite is a branch like a structure that arises from cytosol. This cytosol is also called cell body. So neuron has mainly three parts. Number first, dendrite. Second, cytosol. This cytosol is also called cell body. This is singular form. The plural form of dendrite is called dendron. This dendrite receives information from sense organ. There are 5 sense organs in our body. So, this receive information from our sense organ and conduct impulses to the site. This cytosol is also known as cell body. This cytosol consists of the cytoplasm that is called neuroplasm. This neuroplasm contains nucleus, nucleolus, small granules called Naegele's granules and Naegele's fibers. Now, axon. Axon is a elongated structure that arises from cytosol. It is covered by a sheath that is called myelin sheath. There is a junction. This is called node of Ranvier. All these sheath called medullary sheath. These medullary sheath are two types. Number one, medullated, and number second, non-medullated. This medullated sheath forms white matter. White matter of our brain, and this non-medullated sheath forms grey matter of our brain. a terminal end. This terminal end is also called terminal arborization. Terminal arborization. This terminal arborization has a swollen part that is called synaptic knob. When the electric impulses reaches to this part at presynaptic knob of the terminal end of axon, these electric impulses consist of a substance that is called neurotransmitter. This neurotransmitter releases, and that's why electric impulses transfer from presynaptic node to postsynaptic node. This postsynaptic node is the part of dendrite of another neuron. That through this electric impulses travel from one neuron to the next neuron. These are about the structure of neuron. In next class, we will discuss about the nervous system of human beings.